guys, my name is Pristina. Thank you guys for coming back to my channel. This is my twin sister Priscilla, and today's video is gonna be doing her look. Get ready with me, but it's gonna be her, and soon I'll do my makeup, but I want to do her makeup for this tutorial. So yeah, wait, I'm sorry, I thought this was your tutorial. Yeah, but I'm gonna do your makeup. We're gonna go ahead and get right with the video. So guys, I'm gonna do a talk through, and the first thing that I'm gonna go ahead and use is the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer. And her eyebrows really didn't need to be like filled in, so I just went ahead and just concealed them and put some clear gel. The clear gel that I used was from e.l.f. Just use that one right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this Smashbox Photo Primer. Wait, is it gonna burn? No, it's not gonna burn. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Baby Skin by Maybelline. I'm gonna put a lot because she kind of has a lot of blemishes. Not too much. So I'm just putting that all over this girl's face, because Lord knows she needs it. Priscilla's gonna talk about herself. I sing. I don't do makeup. That's probably the main reason why you guys are probably like, you don't know what this is, because I really don't know what it is. I don't really do my own makeup. If I do, it's literally Pristina telling me step by step what to do. But I mean, we're graduating this year, both of us. Priscilla, just relax. Relax. I don't swim. I don't play a lot of sports. I mean, when I was little, I played soccer for... You just hit my nose. I'm sorry. I played soccer for a little bit, but not that much. Not a professional player or any of that. I mainly just sing. I want to perform around the world. Mainly classical music, such as opera. I do want to do, like, now music, I guess, and like music, the trending music. And my favorite artist ever, like my inspiration, the reason why I even wanted to become a performer is Selena Quintanilla Perez. I know you knew that. It was not. You said Quintanilla. Quintanilla, yes. Okay. Anyways, using the NYX Dark corrector conceal just to under her eyelids. She's my idol, my number one for everything. I love her so much. Our AP queen. Look up. Go ahead and take the KatVonD foundation. If you guys wanted to hear me sing, if you really want to know if I'm legit, you can look up my YouTube channel. Oh, in the description box. Sorry, we're using YouTube terminology. I'm taking the Sephora Concealer in the shade Custard. Pristina and I have this weird thing, basically. So a lot of people ask us, like, if I were to hit, if someone were to hit her, would I feel it? No, it's not. Doesn't really work like that. Basically, what we feel, it's just my neck. What? Oh wait, I need a. No, please don't say it. No. Pristina and I, if she is like really sad, or she starts crying, or she's in pain, in any type of pain, not physical. First of all, I don't cry. I guess in internal pain, right? internal pain, and I will feel that. Like I'll suddenly feel like, why? Like I'll feel like wanting to cry or like scream, or like I know something's wrong with her, especially if I know I'm like living my life. Ever like, I guess it's a type of feeling, I don't know. And sometimes, like when we play games, people will literally think that Pristina and I are cheating because we say the same thing, which is really not cheating. I mean, it's just something we do. Like, if you ask me, it's not cheating. It's not cheating. It really is. It's not cheating. Don't be hating because you don't have a twin. Is it fun to have a twin? Is it cool? Honestly, no. It really isn't. Sorry to break your heart. It really isn't fun. We have to share a lot of things. Like growing up, her and I had to share a lot of things. I mean, drinks, food, books, toys, you name it. We had to share everything. And you know, sometimes it got annoying, but it did teach us, you know, how to share and I guess be fair. But it is cool to have, like, I guess someone that looks like you, because then if you want to try something on and you know, like, it's probably not gonna look right on me, then I can try it on her, and like if it looks right on her, then maybe it'll look right on me, but most of the time it doesn't. Pristina is literally my best friend. Pristina is always there for me when I don't need anybody else, when I don't want anybody else. She literally won't leave me alone if I don't tell her what's wrong. She is annoying, believe it or not. She is very mean. I really am not annoying. Yes, anybody who knows, anybody, the lies are wrong. Anybody who knows her, like, right, for real, knows that she is very mean.
Did you just fart?
No. She's actually very mean. She's very physical. Does it look bad?
No, it doesn't look bad. It doesn't look bad. You look schmexy.
Schmexy? Okay.
What am I gonna do? Oh, we're just gonna leave it at that. Bye, guys. We're going to contour the face. Went wild.
My favorite show ever is Stranger Things. I love Stranger Things. In my room, I have calendar, I have books, I have shirts, blankets, pillows, cases, toothbrushes, singing, toothpaste. See that? Like that, like that. Boom!
I don't think so.
Bam. Bam. One day I want to I am the one, the only one, the sun,
Now I'm just gonna try to make that nose very small. As you can see, it is very huge. Okay.
Excuse me.
I'm like, oh baby, please don't do that again.
If you guys really want to know, I'm faster. I'm faster. No, go. I'm faster than excuse me. I'm faster than Pristina at swimming. Obviously.
Oh no, you know.
Oh my god.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
We're gonna have to take a break. Let me see. Look again. Yes. You looking schmexy is the word. Okay, baby. Not that schmexy.
A lot of people would say that I'm probably the nicer twin, I guess. That I'm more friendlier. Pristina is just...
Okay.
Pristina is like... You just... Okay. She puts a wall. You gotta get past the wall, okay? Once you get past the wall, you're free.
Oh. I'm just taking the Laura Mercier translucent powder once again to... What are you doing? To carve out that face. We're gonna let that bake for a while. Can you look that way again?
Ow.
I'm just gonna take off that bake.
I really cannot wait to see how this looks.
I think it looks pretty great. Highlight we're going to be using is the new Anastasia, actually. Anastasia Highlighter. You guys know what I'm talking. Super pretty. So pretty. It's to die for.
Is it?
Yes.
Blinding.
Very pretty, very pretty.
Is it blinding though?
It's blinding.
Blinding?
Oh. And take her Selena.
Show it off!
Roby still.
like a mannequin.
Alright, so her face is all done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and spray the Mario Badescu spray on her.
No more highlight?
No, you got it. Ready? So close your eyes.
Just let it dry. Can I open my eyes?
Mm-hmm.